Welcome, amazing teachers. My name is Debbie Fairholm. I'm Vice President of Education for Junior Achievement of South Florida. So I get the best job today, and that is the introduction of our amazing JA team members. Each member of the JA family believes in the mission of preparing our students for tomorrow, to be successful. And I am here to tell you, you are the reason that we exist. So listen closely as each member of our team tells you about the programs that they represent and how we can provide this to you to help your classroom come alive. Okay, Miss Claire.
Hi, Debbie. Thank you so much for that introduction. My name is Claire Aguilera, and I am the Senior Career Readiness Program Manager with Junior Achievement. I love my job, and I love working with all of you. And I actually oversee our Career Exploration Fair, JA Inspire, which is where you are right now. So welcome. And we showcase local industries, over 8 different career pathways to our students. I also work closely with the ICANN schools, implementing middle and high school programs. I oversee JA Experience, our wonderful Lauderhill 6 through 12 school, and also our virtual speaker series, which is our resource video library, providing you, the educators, mentors, and career speakers who share their journey and their personal journey with you. So, hand it over to Jill.
Thanks, Claire, for that introduction. Hi, my name is Jill Reipsa. I'm the Director of Classroom and Community Programs from Junior Achievement of South Florida. We have available to you classroom programs all the way starting from kindergarten all the way through high school. And this engaging curriculum revolves around our 3 pillars, which is entrepreneurship, work readiness, and personal finance. So I also work really closely with our community partners, and we create unique and different content to meet their needs. Martha, I'm going to throw it over to you.
Thank you, Jill. My name is Martha Rios, Director of Entrepreneurship Initiatives at Junior Achievement of South Florida. My job is to engage high school teachers and mentors in order to inspire high school students to create real small businesses from the conception of a product or service all the way to the liquidation of the company. This year, we were fortunate to implement the program virtually at 100%. Hope you are inspired by our programs and love to hear back from you if you feel that this would be a program that your students will appreciate. All right, Fabi?
Hi, my name is Fabi Melendez, and I am Workforce Program Coordinator at JA, and I oversee the Job Shadow Program, which exists to help high school students be exposed to different careers and industries across South Florida, with a special focus on our booming industries in the local area.
Hi, my name is Brianna Donaldson, and I'm the Workforce Program Manager, and I run the program called JA Careerbound. JA Careerbound is a skills-building leadership program that helps students develop their workforce skills, such as soft skills, their resumes, and cover letters. We help to prepare today's youth for tomorrow by preparing them with the skills they need to succeed in the workforce. I hope that you enjoy our video and that you will sign your students up to join our JA Careerbound video. And with that, I'll pass it over to my teammate, Anna Khaver.
Thank you, Briana. It only makes sense if I go after you. I'm Anna Khaver. I'm a Youth Employment Manager here at Junior Achievement, and I work very close with amazing Martha Rios, Brianna Donaldson, and Fabi Mercado. After students finish Martha's and Brianna's programs and they're going through work readiness programs, they are ready to apply their skills in the real workforce. And that's where we get them, and we partner with the community leaders who would like to impact local youth and create an equal opportunity for success among our high schoolers. We offer our students real work experiences at amazing companies that can possibly match their career interests and help them develop soft skills in a real workplace. So together we're changing lives of our students, and I am lucky to be passionate about high school program that I manage.
Well, teachers, obviously you're in great hands. And, seriously, we know what it means to be a teacher, how you impact the lives of all of the students across Broward County. And we thank you for that. And we want to be there to support you, to be your solution provider, to do anything that we can do to make your job easier. So enjoy this career fair, and I hope you find something that might meet your needs. Thank you.